Welcome back to 5x Crypto. Today we will discuss this airdrop which is worth $100 million. Yes, you heard it right. And it won't last for just a couple of days. Rather, it will last for the complete year, and it will go on for the 12 months, and there will be 12 seasons, and after every month there will be some rewards. So you have plenty of opportunities to participate in this airdrop. You will first have to get the MetaMask in order to participate in this airdrop, and I will be providing all the links related to this airdrop in the description box, so you can just simply click on them and reach out to the official websites. Currently there are 15 DePIN apps that you can participate in. The more you participate, the better your rewards will be, and you would also be getting NFTs at the end of the season. The more your interaction in Peaq's ecosystem and on these apps, the rarer your NFT will be. So make sure that you participate in these apps. All the quests will be given to you on this particular website. I will provide the link in the description, and I will also show you step by step how you can participate in it. But first, let's discuss this out before jumping into the steps to participate in it. Each one of these projects has certain kind of purpose that they want to fulfill, and since it is a decentralized world, we can help out, and for that contribution of our help, they will be rewarding us in their tokens. Like on Silencio, if you participate in Silencio network, you would be recording the noise levels around you, and for that you will get rewarded. Recently they also had a airdrop, and I also got a good amount of airdrop from Silencio. You can also participate in it using the referral code Sunny007, and there is also a referral going on in Silencio as well. So you are not just getting the airdrops of individual projects, but you will also be getting the airdrop of Peaq. So it's a win-win situation for us users. And the current airdrop will involve around 210 million Peaq tokens, which is around the 5% of the Peaq's ecosystem. After clicking on the link in the description, you will be redirected to this page. Just click on get started in order to get started. But make sure that you check your country is eligible for participating in this airdrop, as UK, US and some other territories which have certain sanctions might not be eligible for this airdrop. And do check out whether your country is eligible or not, or whether you can use a VPN to bypass the sanctions. After that, connect your wallet, and you would be able to add the Peaq network on your MetaMask quite easily with just the connection of wallet. And after that, you would have to sign a message using your MetaMask. Then you would have to create your profile by providing the username, the referral code and the email of your account. But make sure that you provide the same email for the Galaxy network or the Galaxy quests that you have participated before, so you don't end up using a different email address. Make sure that you use the same email address for all your Galaxy quests. And if you have participated in the pre-season of Peaq, then use the similar email. After creating your profile, you would have to choose an NFT of your choice. There will be 4 choices for you. Just simply select any of them, the one which reflects your personality. You can check out the details of it by pausing the video. And after selecting it, you would be redirected to this page. Now over here, we need to complete a quest. Now let's click on this option of view detail over here in order to see what we have to do. And in this quest, we just have to click on this option of watch video and complete the video in order to complete the quest. And this is how easy it is to complete the quest. Then click on this option of go to profile, and this is how your profile will look like. Over here you can click on mint Peaq in order to mint your NFT, and this will allow you to access certain parts of this particular campaign. So make sure that you mint your Peaq, but you should have certain tokens in order to do so, and sometimes the traffic is also higher that you won't be able to mint Peaq even though you have the tokens. So just wait for a while in that case, or do this task when the traffic is low. And when we scroll down further, we will be able to see all the different metrics related to Peaq network and this campaign, and we will also be able to see this section of quests, and you just have to participate and then get XP and NP, which is the NFT points, and at the end of the season you would be getting rewarded for all the XP and NP points that you will collect throughout the month. And currently season 1 is going on. The biggest contributor for your rewards will be the leaderboard rankings. So the higher you rank in this leaderboard, the better your chances of getting the rewards. Since we are quite early and not many people would be working for whole 12 months, you have a great chance of making it big and making good amount out of this 100 million airdrop. Also on the left hand side panel, you would be able to find the section of quests, and just simply click on it in order to access them and then complete them. So this was all about the $100 million campaign from Peaq, and if the further updates are there in future, I will be creating another video in order to discuss the further updates. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and also like this video to support us. See you in the next video.